Let's install the solenoid coil on the OM3 body. First, we pick up the OM3 body and insert one of the small gaskets. We then pick up the coil and install it with the front facing up like this. The next step is to install this component. It has 2 grooves. Align the grooves and press it into place. Next, we place a gasket inside this cap. Align the threads and screw the cap on. Tighten it by hand. A slight movement of the coil does not affect its use. Assembly is finished.